Most new users on Ibotta don't see cash instantly because rewards stay pending until the retailer confirms the purchase, which can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days depending on the store. By the end of this, you'll know what your first week realistically looks like on Ibotta, how much money people usually generate in that early window, and what actually speeds up or slows down your payouts. First thing to understand, Ibotta is not a task app. It's a cashback system tied to real grocery receipts. That means your earnings in week 1 depend on how many qualifying receipts you submit, not how much time you spend scrolling offers. You pick offers before shopping, then upload your receipt after. Most first-week users fall into a simple pattern. They do 1 or 2 grocery trips, redeem a handful of offers, and then wait for those rebates to clear. The key detail is that even if you did everything correctly, your balance can still show 0 or pending for a short period. That delay is normal, and usually tied to retailer verification, not a problem with your account. Next is where expectations matter. If you only use Ibotta on one small grocery run, your first week earnings will naturally stay low. If you stack multiple offers in one trip, especially higher value brand deals, your total grows faster. The app doesn't reward activity evenly. It rewards matching specific offers. Another factor is how carefully you follow offer rules. Many rejected rebates come from small issues like buying the wrong size, wrong flavor, or missing a required product quantity. Ibotta is strict about exact match conditions, so accuracy matters more than speed. Now for timing. Even after approval, withdrawals don't always show up instantly. Most users see their balance move from pending to available after verification. Then they can cash out through gift cards or PayPal depending on region availability inside the app. By the end of your first week, a realistic outcome is simple. You either have a small pending balance building up, or your first approved cashback ready to withdraw if your receipts processed quickly. What actually improves your first week results is simple. Plan offers before shopping, double-check product requirements in the app, and submit receipts immediately after checkout so they don't get lost or delayed. First week summary. Earnings depend on how many valid offers you complete, not time spent in the app. Processing delays are normal. Accuracy with offer details matters more than anything else. Next step, open Ibotta, check one grocery list, and activate only the offers you can confidently match in-store. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of how cashback apps actually work.